how to add your birthday date on your Snapchat profile. First, open your Snapchat and then go to your profile, top left. And once you open your profile, as you can see, I have my birthday right here that says 12 July with a balloon right here. I'm going to show you how you can put it there as well. So in order to do that, first open your settings at the top right, and below your username you can see there is your birthday. You can edit your birthday if you want, if it's not correct. And as you can see, I have this box checked here that says this will add a cake or a balloon emoji next to your name that display a special birthday charm. So if you turn it on, what this does is this will show this birthday on your profile right here, and others can see your birthday as well. And that's how you can add your birthday date on Snapchat profile. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.